Semuanya dampak ah.
Umpannya sama.
Wadah, bros. Halo, assalamualaikum Tante Brosis. Apa kabar band semua? Semoga kabar band semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini Lunestavis Channel jalan-jalan ke Pasar 47 di Banjarmasin dengan misi menukarkan 2 ekor ikan koi ulun serta 1 ekor Sinendontis ulun dengan ikan koki di tempatnya Bro Amin. Di sini juga ulun akan mereview serta mengupdate harga terbaru ikan predator ataupun ikan hias yang ulun temui di street pet shop tersebut. Oke Tante Brosis, ikutin terus video ulun kali ini. Namun sebelum mulai, alangkah baiknya kalian klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, dan share channel ini agar semakin bersemangat dan memberikan informasi mengenai dunia perikanan. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum.
What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until you look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blues fade to
Umpannya sama aja lah.
you fade away.
Glowfish ini apa? Basicnya Sumatera Kamin. Sumatera. Berapa nih?
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up, I feel like it's
Lagi musim,
Something's going
awalnya lagi musim.
chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden, I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
Di packing akuarium ada melihat nilai kan?
So inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same.
Di mata berapa leh?
10.000. Sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today.
Sudah lawas kayak nih di sudah lawas teganan lah. Ada sampai oh lawas.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt
Bagus.
that way.
Ini rimnya tebal nih.
Stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Yang itu 45. Yang ini berapa lah? 30. Rimnya bagus. Itu haruan hias.
Dari sana berapa?
Sana 25. Itu 50. Gen Maru ini apa? Green Maru kan? Oh, Engken mana menulis sih? Berapa nih, Leh? Kaltara nih? Size 100.000 Triasal Juno. Kalimayan ya, jalan. Ya, Kalimayan. Berapa? Ukuran 8 lah, 7, 8.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to
Hantunya lagi lah. Duanya berapa? Berapa? Coba. Semuanya dampak kan? Campur yang halus kan? Itu yang garnal dua-duanya ding ya.
Hari ini aja bangun perawatannya kan.
Berapa anu ini om? Ya paling bata kan? Udah kalau gini ada klato Polres kan berapa dong klato ini dong? Burung ya. Oke Om Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video kali ini. Apabila ada kesalahan informasi yang Ulun berikan, bisa pian tulis di kolom komentar. Ulun undur pamit, sampai ketemu di video Ulun berikutnya. Assalamualaikum.